Let's make chai, aka milk tea. So first, take a container and pour milk. The milk should be little more than the amount.
Boiled milk. And heat it up.
Now, heat it up.
And now you will put all the ingredients.
Make sure you don't heat it much. Wait a bit and then add sugar, of course, to your taste. It's recommended to add 1 tablespoon for 2 cups. Then stir it and wait a bit for the sugar to melt. Add paste of cardamom and ginger to enhance the taste. At last, add tea leaves powder. It determines the taste of our chai, whether sweet or spicy. Gently stir it and wait for the chai to turn brown as shown in the video. Add last, you can filter it and enjoy.
Keep it a little bit like this for a few seconds. Let it like everything and have a characteristic color.
Thanks for watching the video. You can follow my channel as it's diverse and mainly about my hobbies and new learning. Soon starting study vlogs. Also glimpses of badminton, aesthetic life. Thanks for watching till the end.